baby girl. Hey, I came to check on everybody. It's intermission, halftime in the disc golf round, and I am refreshing my tea and going to the bathroom and checking on my babies. Hey, babies. Okay, so Preciso, she was under the bed and I grabbed her. Okay, Ciara. Okay, baby girl, you, love you, baby, love you. Love you, baby girl, you. Prissy girl. Did you have fun today, baby girl? Did you have fun today? Hey, be nice, be nice. She's very sorry, baby. Be nice, please, be nice. She's very sensitive. She hates this thing. She just hates it. She never does that when I'm not filming. You know, I'm rude. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Oh, you baby girl, you, baby girl, you, sweet girl, you, sweet girl, you. I love this creature so much. Okay, and Ciara girl. Hey, hey, wait a minute. You know what I gotta do with her. Yeah, I gotta clean those eyes. Wait a minute. Hey, baby girl, you. Hey, hey, you. Ciara girl, you. Hey, you. Ciara girl. Chin time. She loves the chin time. Oh, yeah, look at that. Doesn't she look gorgeous? Look at the orange and purple. Sorry, the orange and lavender backdrop. Wow, very cool. Okay, so been pretty quiet. Actually, been very quiet. Everybody, immediately after dinner, I opened the door and everybody conked out. No playing tonight at all. No hunting. So, and check this out. He has retreated to his throne, his ceramic throne. Look at the boy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, yo. Look at the boy. Look at that pink nose. He's like Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. That's Jordan, the pink-nosed tabby. Yeah. Hey, buddy boy. Oh, you big boy. You big boy. You. Sweet boy, you. Okay, buddy boy, you. Okay, that's Jordy. Sammy boy. Sammy boy. Yay. I had a little session with him earlier, which I recorded. Hey, buddy boy. And of course, the guardian queen. The guardian queen. My Shanti girl. Yeah, baby girl, you. Oh, Shanti girl, you. Shanti girl, you. Okay, everybody is just as comfy as can be. I know, buddy. I know, buddy. Oh, he's such a lover boy. He's such a lover boy. And where's Tali? Oh, Tali has got Shanti's throne. Okay, so that's very cool. Hey, buddy boy. Hey, buddy boy. Wait, I'll turn this fan off. Hey, buddy boy. Oh, look at the town monster. Look at the town monster. Town monster. Hey, you. Hey, you big boy, you. Hey. Hey, you wanna play? You wanna play? Hey, town monster. Hey, buddy boy, look at the tail monster. Look at the tail monster. Oh, look at the tail monster. Oh, yeah, buddy boy. Okay, tail monster. Tail monster. Okay, so that is everybody. I would love to give him a paw massage right now, and I will, perhaps, when I finish this round of disc golf. Okay. Okay, before I check out of the session, once again, I don't open the door because it's so obnoxiously loud. I'll just let you listen. Sweet night sounds of the Chi homestead. Lots of frogs. As rainy season descends upon us, the frogs come alive and sing their joy. They love the rain.